Alright guys, we're back through a dirty windshield, seeing the world. We come to you from Council Bluffs, Iowa, but we're down in the old school area. I've never been down to this part before. There's Chad with his weed whip. He's doing a great job. Living his, best life now. Anyways, it's kind of cool down here. It doesn't feel, the video doesn't do it justice, but when you're here, the hills are bigger and closer. What do you think, Mom?
It's really a neat area. They've got some neat shops. We're driving down the main drag here, Main Street, and seeing what they have to offer. They've got neat art and sculptures and little shops.
Rabbit heads. Yeah, they have rabbit heads.
Here, do you want to handle the
Sure.
shooting?
Yep, got it.
They got antiques. But we'll keep it rolling through here because it's like their downtown drag. This guy's living his best life now. The faster the better. And the more meth, the better off you are.
So in the center islands here are these large bunny sculpture heads that are really cool. So those are neat. Fountains.
Makes you gotta go to the bathroom. There's Rebecca. I wonder what she did. Why she's running. Blum, 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 blum.
Oh crap, she's still running.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, neat little businesses.
Look at these old buildings. These are kind of cool.
Yeah, the architecture is neat. City Hall.
I didn't do it. They don't have a bathroom sign though, like we do in Nebraska. Seward, if anybody needs to use the restroom. There's a sign in the courthouse where this is, I don't know what this place is on the right. I'm trying to decipher it.
Let's see here. Looking for a sign.
Unlike anywhere else, on purpose.
This
That's
looks
what
like
the-
a good
I
campus
don't know
to
what that
walk
building
around.
is.
Looks like the Taste of China. Looking good.
Okay.
U.S. Bank, and now I recognize more Council Bluffs
Yeah.
action here.
But that was a nice little strip to drive
We'll
through.
go ahead and take a ride on Broadway. Broadway is usually the place to be. But we do want to wrap right. Look at this beautiful church on the hill.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that's pretty. I wonder if it's like open nearby to be. Did you see that little dog? Yes. That was literally just like Lucy. Did? Yeah.
I didn't see it. I
It was
missed
this
it.
tiny dog, and
I got it on
literally looked
camera.
just like her. Because it had the, like it was like almost like that.
That's
we
cool.
got another church
Yep. Straight
up.
ahead.
coming into view.
It was Lucy's long lost twin.
Have you guys ever heard like whatever you are, be a good one?
I think Abe Lincoln might have said that.
I don't think so.
I think so.
I can't remember who said it. But
Lincoln's Pub.
hey, there's a
Oh,
coffee house right
Lincoln's
there.
Club.
Yeah.
Freshly
Lincoln's
brewed.
Bear Cub.
Wow, she was living her best life
Yeah.
yesterday.
All right, here's that second church here.
Or now.
Beautiful.
Look
The
at
steeple
it.
like blends in with the clouds.
Oh, they got a rainbow stained glass.
Yo,
Oh,
that's
nice.
good.
That's cool. Nice.
It's a Methodist church.
You got a guy doing crazy stuff. Don't point it at him.
I'm not.
Yeah. So if I point to the church and just if I move my lips while I talk
Uh-huh.
and I gesture like this, kind of like Rick Steves, and then maybe he'll go easy on me. Okay.
Beautiful church.
Oh, I see now.
Very nice. I'm like Rick Steves. You guys remember Rick Steves?
You're not letting me breathe.
Okay.
Goodrich Dairy and Blimpie, America's Sub Shop.
Dang, Blimpie. They've got a Blimpie?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's West Coast strippers.
Yeah.
All right, they got a Centaurus. No, Centrus. Never mind. I was gonna say Centaurus. Can't be. Alright guys, we're coming into what feels vanilla, ubiquitous, and sad. So we will keep it rolling with you. We've got a red light to deal with. Kind of reminds me of home. Here we go, rolling stop. That's good enough. Here we've got the Methodist Hospital. And a drive-through coffee joint sure would be helpful. But we would take Super Saver. They sell for less. Alright, and now I recognize where we're at. This quickly wraps us out of Council Bluffs, which we want to avoid. But we'll keep it rolling here for just a minute.
Right. We'd like to tour Council Bluffs a bit more.
Shall I do a left and go back around?
Sure, or a right might be easier. I don't know which is
Right
easier.
behind the big truck. Here we go, navigating.
I was just concerned that might take you to another big road.
We'll see.
We'll look this way. De Leon's.
This guy's never gonna leave Iowa. You see this?
Permanent. I don't know if
He's
they
a
can
permanent resident.
see that on the
Crazy.
Where?
on the
The
license plate.
says permanent. Or maybe that's his kind of haircut.
Maybe they don't have to renew those plates.
No, I think it's probably his haircut. So when the cops pull you over, they know like if the license, they're expecting a driver with a permanent.
Mm-hmm.
That would be my
Oh, gotcha,
assumption.
gotcha.
All right, we're gonna wrap back this way. This should drop us into the hospital so we can drop Henry off. You can surrender kids
We
to
need
the
to drop
hospital.
you off at the hospital to get some of your fat out.
Hey,
Oh boy!
not very
What do you
nice,
think of
buddy.
that, Erwin?
Oh, not too much.
It's not very nice. I think my fat is fine, just where it's at, where it is.
Here's
All right.
All right, here is Rebecca. Careful, careful, careful,
Oh.
careful, careful. Okay, she's all right.
Mm.
Grandma, stop.
We gotta-
Those stairs aren't
This
meant
is
for such
bizarre.
weights.
Are they?
So
Are
I'm
you?
gonna go straight.
Yeah, they
I'm gonna
don't.
wait for the van people.
They don't have the
All right,
lanes
I'm going-
lined up
I'm going that way.
straight. Yep. 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 We're going. We're gonna make it.
Sorry, buddy. I didn't make your roads.
They didn't line
Made
up
the
the
roads.
lanes. That was
Yeah, they may have been drinking when they were laying these roads out.
weird. Yep. Painting the lines.
All right, we're all living our best life now.
Easy.
All right. Well,
Well, this house is so
here's a man with a hat. He knows what he likes, like all of us.
cool. Hey, he's a good little boy.
Here we go. Here we are. Here we go.
Good job.
We got motorcycle people.
Mm-hmm.
Going left on Broadway. Coming back. Again, I have very little experience with this town, so I don't know what's going
Another
on.
one.
But we are going to figure it out.
Mm-hmm.
That's true.
There we go.
Sit with that. Yes, take that easy.
A great whale. A great wall with a little L. I'm not sure.
They
The
couldn't
same
fit it all
person who
in.
laid out the roads
Hold on,
made that
did you see
sign.
that?
Mhm.
That was a Pokemon store. No, wait, really? Yeah, it said cardboard collections and it had a Pikachu on it. Mom, can we go back? Mom, please.
I'm not driving. I'm not the one to convince.
Dad, can we?
I'll pray about it, buddy.
Dad, I have $6. Come on.
It's probably not enough for these people.
Dad.
Do you realize we're in Council Bluffs? This is like,
I get it, but we can keep driving through after, I promise, please.
yeah.
Lots of cool shops. There's a goldfinch painted on the wall of that building.
We're not going to Chippies either.
Very
That's fine.
cool.
No, Dad said maybe we are. He said, sorry to break it to you.
We on
but
the same
we're
street we were
Yes. Yeah.
He said that to
There's
you.
Lincoln's Pub.
on. Lincoln's Pub. There it
Mhm.
is.
Yep.
Dad, come on. Erwin, not cute. I'm
he did with his facial hair, but it looked nice. He must be going to a martial arts place.
Maybe.
Probably the
Makes
instructor.
sense.
Oh boy, hold on. Hold it.
Yep,
This
stop.
actually, I needed a left right there, but you can't go in there. No.
Yep.
Can.
Do not enter. It's a one way, I think. Or no. It's only you can just to turn in there. That's it.
Okay, so we'll wrap around.
Yeah, they did these streets weird.
They must have been.
Looks like you can take a left here, but that might just go into the business.
No, I don't think so. Yes, I do think so. But this.
Looks like just business too.
What is wrong with this place?
Yeah. I don't know.
I'm just kidding, Council Bluffs. You're doing okay.
Yeah, that's a one way too.
All right.
It's probably what people feel like when they come to Lincoln and drive downtown. All the one ways.
Yeah. Well. Huh.
We're figuring it out.
There's a school seen on the hill, towering above.
Oh, I see it. Way in the back there.
That must be where they teach kids how to lay out roads, do you think?
They're not doing very good, yeah.
That's why you got an F.
Straight
Do you guys have anything to say back here?
I wanted to go to that one store. I wanted to go to Cardboard.
Okay, because you thought they might have Pokemon stuff?
Yeah, the Pokemon.
We don't
it
get
had
to
a
go to Chippies
Pikachu.
either. It had a Pikachu on the logo.
Got you.
We don't get to go to Chippies either.
What do you think, Henry?
Not true.
What is that you have? Is that a weapon you made?
Me?
Henry. Oh boy.
He just chewed on his fork. That's not a weapon.
Looks like it could do some damage. Yep, did some damage. You okay?
Wait, is it possible that we still will go to Chippies?
Anything's possible, but I wouldn't count on it.
It's possible. It's possible.
Wait, if I fake that small as a mustard seed, anything's possible.
Yeah,
So I do have faith.
All right.
it's a very long light.
Yeah. But, okay, whoa, look at the bridge.
Oh, so pretty.
I'm not going over the bridge at this juncture because I'm pretty sure that takes me back to the worst state imaginable in my mind right now. The state of, I don't know, confusion.
Okay, but it is a pretty bridge. They're trying to entice you. This is a large Kelly's Carpet Furniture store
All right,
here.
at least we get a green arrow. That's helpful.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's an outlet. Kelly's Carpet Factory outlet.
I would like to avoid our beloved back road area
Back road area. What are you talking about?
without the influence of just a little bit of coffee.
Oh yeah, we've been trying to find coffee.
There's that one back there.
I'm going to go ahead and take a left into the residential here. It looks like a safe.
Pretty house, old
Look at that.
home.
Wasn't the
Wow, couch if anyone needs it.
Yep.
Hey, a few bed bugs. If you hose it off, it'll be fine. All right, we're going to go straight another church. St. John's.
yeah? There's black
Lutheran.
squirrels here. I saw that too.
Oh my gosh, is this my? I think this is my brother up here.
Oh, okay.
Like not my, like my brother from another. Actually, I take it back. Nope, he wasn't my brother.
Oh, that's a cool fountain.
Whoa, there's a fountain. It's gushing, you guys.
I want to go play in it.
I want to go.
Yeah, Mom, stop. I'm going to play in it.
That was pretty. Bayless Park, huh?
Now.
I think people are bathing in that.
They might be bathing in that. And there's the Council Bluffs Police Department. I just did a burnout on accident. Okay, we're back to where I know where we're at.
Hey, there's police.
All right. Randy's coming through.
Whoa! I heard a squeak.
All right, we got a phone call coming in
From Texas.
from Texas.
Let me answer.
I don't think I know anybody in
Wait,
Texas.
can I answer?
All right,
No.
guys. So we are gonna fail on the coffee thing, I think, because you had to walk in to get it, and I already know.
I
what
can
this
run
does.
out and get some.
Judy can run out and get some. She's
Easy.
living her best life, man.
Easy.
What does
Yeah.
Mom want
This
to get?
place is kind of like Mario World when you run off the one side. All right, here we go.
Except there's nothing that picks you up and resets you.
Except a pack of cigarettes.
Pack of cigarettes will do.
I mean,
because of that guy. Look, he's smoking.
Well, it seems like there is a large homeless
I saw a
population
kid-sized
I
bear.
don't think so.
You don't think so?
They're the unhoused. You don't call them homeless.
I'm sorry, the unhoused.
I saw this kid-sized bear.
Kind of
Such a
rude.
creepy little bird.
Oh gosh.
Hey, I saw a kid-sized bear.
These are.
Hmm.
Right, Randy wasn't
There's the
having it.
fountain again.
Let's. Do you guys want to park and hang out with? Yeah, let's not actually. Yeah, let's do it. It'll be good for the kids
Yeah,
to see it.
Yeah,
I think you
okay.
gotta feed the meter, don't you?
I don't know, we'll have to read it. I have some change.
No parking during snow and ice.
Alright, we're gonna...
Actually, I'm having second thoughts. All right, there's somebody.
Why? Just because there's an
I think there's
unhoused
somebody
person?
getting a needle ready. An unhoused person is putting like a needle or something. Let's
Yeah, let's go.
we're gonna skip. Roll them up. Roll them up. All right.
I think she's just clipping her nails.
Okay. I think she was getting her. Oh, she probably has diabetes. She was getting her insulin ready, kids.
Yeah.
So that happens to people. All right.
Oh
Let's,
boy. We're seeing all the colors today.
Well, like all the.
Oh boy.
All right.
I'd love to that.
Oh my gosh.
See,
Ah,
is this a
Iowa
relay?
Congresswoman Cindy Axne.
Acne.
Maybe
Some
we
people
can
suffer from acne.
maybe we can talk to her about the issues we've run into while we're here. Legends Cafe.
All right, this person is going straight. Sorry. I'm
Huh.
just trying to live my best life now. There we go. This is my last attempt. I can't find that
I love to.
coffee. There's a hello. Wave at him.
Uh-huh.
Very nice people. Yep, I
Yep.
give up. I'm pretty sure we're already too far down, right?
I don't know. I don't know where it was.
I'm gonna.
I just
careen.
know if you pull up out front, I'll run in and get some coffees.
How much copies would you get for?
Who?
Dang it.
Dos amigo.
I got 2 for you and me.
Let's see.
Main Street Cafe.
Dos cafes, mi amigos. You know what I'm saying?
Hmm.
Yep, I'm gonna stop this nonsense pronto. But of course, we'll have to get. I'm gonna go ahead and take a right. We are gonna go ahead and tour the neighborhood. This isn't working. I apologize. All right, at least we get a green light. That park did look wonderful, though. I really would have liked to have walked through, but that would possibly get me into a little bit of scrapes with the locals. Lane and merge left. Plus, could get knifed. We can't have that.
No.
Here, Glen Avenue looks nice.
Mm-hmm. Looks like a nice hill to drive up and see the houses.
Okay. Glen. Trying to think of Glenn's, the grocery store. But also Pastor Glenn. You remember him? He was nice.
Pastor Glenn. Was he Grammy's pastor in
Pretty sure.
Missouri? Was that his name?
I think so. I couldn't
Guys,
think
it's
of his
a
last
Catholic church. That means it's open all the time.
name.
We should
Cool.
go in there and confess our sins.
You got a lot to
Okay.
confess?
Yes.
Oh.
I have something to
I got
confess.
ground controlled immediately. Remember his last name? Glenn.
I have something to confess. We need to go to cardboard collection. No, seriously, please.
Houses on the hills.
There's a very nice place here on the left.
Uh-huh.
Okay, never
Trying
mind. I
to
thought it
get
would be
it.
like a sort
Cool
of thing.
houses,
Actually, I'm gonna go
though.
straight.
That's a pretty house.
Cut back. Yeah.
Very neat.
Dennis. Pastor Dennis.
Dennis, that's what I was gonna say. Glenn didn't quite sound right. Dennis, that's what it was. Dennis.
He was a nice man.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
That's a giant sycamore if I ever saw one.
That is pretty
Sheesh, that is massive. 2 of them.
very nice. Worth Street, but Worth. Alright, I don't think
He had a
I-
stop sign.
Oh, did
Don't
you guys
worry.
see that airplane?
Oh!
Sorry, guys.
All right, we're gonna point the camera at the children for right now.
So,
Oh, and Lucy's with us. Lucy,
what was that? Hey, we're more
sweet
interested.
girl.
We're doing good.
Hi, Lucy. She's having a good time. Yeah, she's fine. She's getting her truck towed. Can't talk.
Tucking around here.
All right. I just didn't want to point the camera at
That's
them.
all right.
There was just a tow going on.
We got all sorts of crazy
All
stuff. going
sorts of
on.
neat
Oh,
homes.
look at that big
giant.
house up there. Mom,
Big old white house on the hill.
how does it go that way? To find the cardboard
Wow.
collections.
Talk
Yeah.
about a retaining wall.
Yeah.
Holy moly. Fairview Avenue. Don't mind if we did.
Dead end.
Damn it.
Oh.
I mean, darn it.
Looks so low. We're going that crazy. That is
This is a very, very steep hill.
Yeah.
unless we're the same.
Man.
Holy crap. I feel like I'm going to roll the car.
Oh, that's a cool home.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Look at the guy.
Yeah, the car. This is.
Oh, look at you. You can see downtown Omaha from here. See it on the, okay,
Oh.
scraping. We don't need that radiator, do we? Okay, so this would be a Fairview.
Okay, yeah. That is quite the view.
Can you imagine when it snows, trying to, navigate?
You'd probably have to park down here and just hike up.
Yeah, game over.
Hike up on foot.
You're kidding.
Yeah. This would not be fun. But the brick road is nice. Very pretty.
Taking it. Taking
Not
it.
fun in the
Yeah,
winter.
this is kind of difficult, but
Oh,
pretty true believers.
very neat house. That's
Is
beautiful.
it General Dodge House? Is that what I just read?
I didn't read it.
Story Street.
Neat house too. Okay.
Extreme. People. Are these all dead ends? Is that how it works nowadays?
There's no sign for this
Okay, we're
one.
taking this one, people. We're gonna crest the hill. This is the historic Gibraltar neighborhood, I guess.
Neighborhood Crime Watch.
I hate crime.
And they're watching. So don't you try nothing.
Alright, kids, hold on tight.
Quite the road.
This is extreme. You got it.
I'm going on
Your life.
Oh man. That was bothering my ears.
The bricks really add some
Sound effects.
sound effect.
Kern Park, huh? That's kind of weird. Oh, there's a park up there.
There's a park.
Yeah, it actually looks neat, maybe.
Alright, we can hit the park, I guess. Gently. Alright, so that's another dead end.
Mm-hmm.
It has a hazmat symbol on the outside, which is probably normal, probably fine.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna back up here.
What's a hazmat symbol?
Hazmat.
Which
Oh, a placard. Corrosive. Right?
Which one?
The building at the end.
What's a hazmat? What does it mean?
Means they're housing certain chemicals that are hazardous or
Okay. And if we look straight ahead before we turn into the park, you
the
can
view.
yeah, the view is pretty nice.
Wow.
So this is a park, I believe, guys.
Kern
Spotted it.
Park. It's just right next to these people's home. It's weird. We got a nice garden going. Okay. Council Bluffs. Kern Park.
I'm gonna go on the playground joking.
Don't point the camera at these nice people. There we go. All right, so we got bleachers
Yep. A field.
and a
Okay.
track and field, kids.
Nice little park up here on the hill. Can you access the bleachers? I bet that would be a cool view. Well, now there's
Yeah,
too many
it's looking the wrong
trees.
direction too. All right, so Council Bluffs is something. Trying to put it together in my mind. A lot of contrast. Extreme. You got up and down. You see downtown Omaha. You got new and old. You got wealth and needle use. Very in close proximity. Are we in San Francisco?
Yeah, it is reminiscent of that, especially with the hills. The driving
And
and
the trolleys.
yeah.
Just kidding. I haven't seen any trolleys yet, but I'm gonna wait for this nice man. But every neighborhood would have had its heyday where it peaked, you know? Kind of like when James Earl Jones. Oh no, it wasn't James Earl Jones. It was Dr. Graham, right?
Yeah.
Burt Lancaster. He said sometimes, you know, the most significant moments of our lives happen and we don't even realize it when they're happening, or something to that effect. You see? But
Yeah.
the neighborhood, look at it. It peaked and it didn't know the day it peaked. You see? And I mean, it's nice enough, but wow, look at the scene. I'm sorry, kids. Struggling. But yeah, back in the day, when these were new and newer, the people who built them lived here. Just imagine all the kids on their Schwinn Stingrays, you know, patrolling.
Yeah.
The squad was out,
Yeah.
getting into mischief.
Yep. That would have been the prime.
And, but, okay, there we go. Cool.
Rainbow
We pledge
flag.
allegiance to the flag.
Oh, that was a cool home. Like a castle tucked up in there. Did you catch that or
I
not?
didn't.
It was neat.
Look at the retaining walls. You think they'd extreme in my front yard. Look at these poor people.
Yeah. Can you imagine if you ever had to have one replaced?
And those people are just throwing away some good stuff.
Oh, were they?
Yeah.
I'll take it right. All right, so the
Yeah, they
hills
were.
of the Council Bluffs are fun, but I think the novelty would wear off quickly.
They're intense.
Especially when it snows, because it's gonna snow.
Yep.
Look at this guy. Taking a break.
Living his
Taking a
best.
break. But living his best life today. He reminds me of you guys, you boys. Where you guys don't really want to stand up straight. You just kind of want to... I mean, I'm just kidding.
I've seen you with your hand on your hip a few times.
I guess we're taking
And I
a walk.
usually take your picture because it's funny.
I guess we're taking a walk down the street.
Yep.
Might want to just sort of...
Shift your hips to one side, put your hand on them.
Sure. Okay.
Oh, goodness.
Largely seen enough. Yeah, I'm concerned about the foot traffic in town. I think everybody's going to be okay, but I'm concerned for them. You see, in Omaha, I would expect a little more trouble. But I just am surprised, that's all. So, just the sights that this wonderful town has to offer so far. And some of them are grand. We need to get that Peter guy up in here. He knows what's up. Actually, this looks like a nice place to hit. We're gonna go straight.
Yeah, check out the other
How
side.
many minutes are we at on the old video?
30.
Okay. All right. Maybe we will keep them with us just as we cross the street.
Okay.
If it gets interesting, you guys can stay. Otherwise, you probably already tuned out by now. Probably can't take anymore.
Dad,
Yeah, Randy?
we're still gonna maybe go to the cardboard collection store.
Yeah. I don't know.
It's a cardboard collection. It says cardboard collection and it was all in the Pokemon font. And I don't know.
Elementary school.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Maybe that might be. Yeah, maybe. Or maybe they have Pokemon cards.
Maybe it's the hills to give people the lead.
Maybe. Maybe.
Like,
You'd think it'd be like a lean forward or backward, though, not to the side.
It's funny that you can get pieces of cardboard that are rare. Rare pieces
You know, like,
of
well, if
cardboard.
your whole walk to work
This piece
is
of cardboard that
you
costs
know,
$3,000.
Yeah,
across town, you know,
I
give
suppose.
you a lean gravity
Costs
center.
$3,000.
Yeah, I was just thinking like if you're walking up a hill, you'd kind of lean forward. Or when you're walking down, you kind of lean back.
I swear.
But you're right, if you're
It's
walking
always like the original.
the other way.
Yeah.
Well, that's another one.
And the original Charizard.
Oh, that's cool.
Like, Meows never really had a chocolate meow.
Right. So these are the back neighborhoods. Pretty relaxed feel.
Yep.
Not too bad.
Seems like newer, smaller homes, not the grand old Victorian
Sure.
kind of homes.
Keeley Gardens.
Oh.
Some sort of garden center.
Gee, look at those flowers, those white ones. It's a blue fire hydrant. Oh, gee, that's with the Lester's star.
Hollywood Avenue, that's fitting. Alright guys, we're at the Hitchcock Nature Center. The Hitchcock Nature Center. Just north of Crescent, I believe, Iowa, south of Missouri Valley. Look at the scene. The birds are singing. We're coming up to the Hawk, I believe, viewpoint. Hawk Watch. It's like a tornado watch, but for hawks. Actually, I'm just gonna look here. I'm curious if there's any lizards on the walls over here. Don't see any lizards. But this would be prime territory. All right.
Me? Let me take your picture first.
Here we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna do one like this too. All right, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll try.
What?
Weird eye thing. Are you biggest eagle?
She's
No.
like a total eagle.
I don't have the eagle span yet. What?
Can I look through these?
I think it costs some money. I'm
No?
not sure.
Doesn't.
I think you gotta touch it with your tongue and then it turns on. Just kidding. Don't do that.
I know, Dad.
What do you see? Do you gotta put a quarter in there or something?
No.
Automatic focus, it says.
See? It moves around.
All right. Yeah.
Don't touch it. Mom said, how
Hey.
smart you are. Mom doesn't have any hand sanitizer left.
That's okay. You guys haven't had COVID since September, is that right?
Are you touching your face to that, Addie? No.
Sorry, we're neurotic about disease in our home. Look at the scene.
Can I take a picture of you girls together?
Wow, downtown Omaha, you probably won't be able to see it
Or with just the bathtub?
in the distance. If I can point it out. Where's my finger? My sunglasses are on too, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's kind of popping up there in the distance there on the horizon. The big buildings. Civilization emerges from the bluffs.
Erwin, look at me and smile.
I-29 is seen in the distance, and from this distance, it looks like they're just creeping along. I don't know how many miles we can see here, but one would think we're looking back right into Nebraska. We're seeing the Missouri River bluffs on the horizon.
Mom, I got some cool pictures to it here.
And again, just looking down on the treetops. At Wabanzi, we determined we were 200 feet above the valley floor. And here it feels a little taller. Obviously, we're artificial here with the deck. But high enough again to see downtown Omaha.
So fun to sled on.
All right, it's a little hazy out here due to the humidity. And these nice folks are, hey, all right.
Daddy found a phone.
Found a phone? Yeah, that's best not to touch.
We should notify someone though.
Yep, don't touch it. It's not our phone, right?
Go.
Could be a,
The SD chip in there.
like the, oh wow, look at what we got going here. Whoa. It costs $1,000 though, it looks like, guys.
$1,000 donut.
And I bet it costs $1,000 to go up, you guys. You guys got 1,000?
Yep. No.
All right. So, nature giveth, people.
I got. I really want you to do well, I just spent $5 on.
I mean, I'm sure they would appreciate it.
Man, it goes even higher. Whoa, I thought we were already at the top right there. But nope, it goes higher. This is crazy.
All right, it just continues.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
Sorry.
All right. Holy crap. I mean, holy moly. All right, I've got one more set of stairs in me. Ascending high above the treetops.
Wow, look at that view.
Holy moly. All right.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I like it.
It would only hurt for, you know, a second. Right? Don't. Hey, the rails are wooden. So when you jump or you bite you, you're going right through.
Yeah.
That would be the kind of content we're needing, but the last content available.
Drop him down. Oh, he flies. He flew. I swear. Yeah, we need it. Do I have anything in my pockets?
All right. Well, I thought we had the grand view from below. And then you step around the corner and find this.
I got a pumpkin in my pocket.
And there's Omaha proper, without a doubt. Hopefully you people can see it.
Drop this. I need to be careful and be careful.
Holy moly. Look at the panorama.
Honey, leave it. Go find it.
The scene is one.
No, honey, please take a really big pan.
Look at the bluffs.
Go back down. I found it.
Have fun.
Okay, go slow.
Whoa. I'm afraid of heights, so this is really good. There's no
Good
way
job,
this is
Aaron.
a bank.
Hey, why are we throwing stuff off? Did you know that there's park workers in this place? I'm gonna have you apologize when we get down there for littering. What was that?
A tiny pumpkin.
All right, it's made of plastic though. You can't do that, Randy. Parenting. So, but we'll apologize to the park ranger on our way when we get down.
That's rude. Don't film punishing Henry.
What's that?
Don't film punishing Henry.
Oh, we'll turn the camera off for that part. But we'll apologize for littering. You know, if anything, you need to be like Johnny Appleseed. You know, this is he would build a tower like this and scatter his seed from the top. Do you see? Hey, that reminds me of the guy on top of the state capitol. Did you know he's called the tailor?
No, I'm here.
Because he sews. Did you know that, Addie?
If he tailors clothes.
Yeah. Well, he sews.
Hey, how do you get onto that tiny floor?
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
What tiny floor? I have way too many things. I have like a trillion things.
Well, the breeze is glorious up here, people.
I'm on it. I found how to get on it. I'm afraid of heights, so this was better.
All right, take it easy. You know, I don't know about heights, but it does give you pause. Like Lucy. Do you know what I mean? Can I get your commentary in the scene? Maybe look at me, please. Can you describe the scene?
Probably not. Too much to describe.
Start describing. You're the artist here.
No.
Come on. The trees look like broccoli a little bit.
Yeah. I guess.
The trees, so we're above a field of broccoli here, you guys. The bluffs stand proudly above the valley, created by glaciers, and the wind which bloweth, dusteth, and creates hilleth. You know what I'm saying? Look at the convection. Look at the scene in the sky. We might get a little thunderstorm with this humidity blowing in. You won't be able to see it in the picture, people, but cell towers stand across on the Nebraska side, feeding all the digital information to the people of Omaha and Council Bluffs, of which we were visitors. All right. I was not expecting this, people. Nature giveth. So does the stateth of Iowa. All right, shall we walk down slowly and quit playing with their lock?
Let's see.
Well, you guys, this is awesome and unexpected. What a surprise. We'll take you down with us. And I got a coffee in one hand, of course. I had to settle for Casey's Coffee and Crescent. We're on the old Lincoln Highway, I believe is what it's called. Wrapping our way. We'll continue to follow this one. We had to pay $5 to get into this place, but we did so proudly. Technically, you know, I'm in debt to the state of Iowa at this juncture, but you guys already know why. But we did put a 5 spot in the bin on our way in, and that rhymes. And we're having good times. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, there are maybe vultures or something. This would be a fun visit again in the fall. We've got so many fall spots on our list, we're gonna have to start crossing stuff off.
She just refused to go up any further and wanted to go back down. And I tried one more time, and she was very clearly scared.
Oh. Really? Is it so that Harry Potter needs to
Is everybody full up there, Jimmy?
It is. Would you like to go up?
Erwin's gonna take my picture first. We'll see. I could probably do
I can
it
take whatever this animal's name is.
Lucy. Yeah, she is scared. She didn't want to go up.
Lucy, are you scared of heights? What are you doing?
Weird. I was surprised.
Louie, are you scared of heights, buddy? Come here. What are you doing? Huh? Yeah, you living your best life now. It's a very beautiful shot because you can see, again, the Omaha skyline framed here. Or no, here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but this would be the ultimate camp out spot. Imagine if you had some hammocks hung up in here. Can you believe it? Can you imagine it?
All right.
Sleeping out here, listening to the coyotes and the cougars. All right, so Mom is headed up the tower. I will probably cut this off here for a moment, and we'll pick you guys back up on the trail. Gonna get into the ticks. Know what I'm saying? We'll see you shortly.